Hello students of Standard 5th. Welcome to DAV Mall Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Mishra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will continue with the same lesson, comparison, from your practice book. Let us quickly recapitulate what we studied in our previous session. We studied the 3 degrees of comparison, that is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Examples are old, older, oldest, long, longer, longest, heavy, heavier, heaviest, beautiful, more beautiful and most beautiful. Dear students, in comparisons, there are some naughty comparisons also. They are called naughty. Let's see why. These words do not follow any rule. Example, good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, little, less, least. Much or many means can be used as more and most. Let us see what is given in worksheet number 3. Rajat and Sonali have won a debate competition. They are throwing an ice cream party for their friends. Given below is the ice cream carriage, Dairy Fun by Quality Ice Cream. See it carefully. We can see there are many flavors on the screen. Now complete the conversation between Rajat and Sonali to decide what ice cream to be selected. Use the naughty comparisons wherever possible. Rajat says to Sonali, I just don't believe that we have won. Sonali replies, that's the best thing that has happened to us this month. Rajat then says, the wait for the result was worse than anything else. Now, for the party, which ice cream would you like? Sonali, I think bricks could be better than cups. They will cost less too. Now, dear students, try to complete the remaining ones. Read what an eye doctor is saying to the audience all over the world. Let us pledge to donate our eyes after death. The person who would get them would be as good as the rest of us. Donating the eyes is not so easy as it seems to be, but someone has to take the first step. In the sentences spoken, we have used as good as and not so easy as. Remember, dear students, we use as to show that two things are similar in some way. We use not so as and not as to show that two things are different in some way. For example, this house is as small as ours. Similarity of size. Mathematics is not so easy as science. Mathematics is not as easy as science. This is the dissimilarity of being easy. Now let us see the superlative quiz time. Get into groups of 4, but now you have to do this activity individually. Read the questions given below and answer them in just 3 minutes. First, I had changed the question for you now. Who is the tallest member in your home? Which is the fastest airline in the world? Which animal has the longest tusk? Which planet is nearest to the earth? Which is the tallest building in the world? Which is the biggest continent on the earth? Which is the smallest continent on the earth? And which is the highest mountain peak of the Himalayas? Answer it quickly. Let us see what is given in worksheet number 5. The Olympics 2012 were held at London, the UK. The performance of the top 5 countries is given below in a tabular form. First country is United States. United States has won 46 gold medals, 29 silver and 29 bronze. So total medals won by United States of America is 104, China 88, Great Britain 65, Russia 81 and South Korea 28. Now let us study it very carefully and fill in the blanks the sentence that follow with correct degree of adjective. For example, first, the USA won the largest. You can see the largest number of gold medals are won by USA. So what will come? Superlative degree what will come? Largest. In the same way, dear students, do the remaining ones. Now last exercise is do it yourself. Complete the following sentences using the given adjectives or the positive, comparative or superlative form. Popular. Which is the most popular fruit in India? December is colder than February. Already the words are given. You have to just change into comparative or superlative form. Dear students, you can see in 8 box some comparisons are given. Use any one comparison and try to make a poem on it. So, here we end our today's session. Have a nice day. Thank you.